No? From the bottom of the sea. Ay, OA. Oh, that's nice. What makes you stay here more? Hi, Tarek. Hi, Chris Q. Yeah, what makes you stay here more, SpongeBob? Hi, Aku. Hi, OMG. Yeah, I'm just kidding on you that you're from the Bikini Bottom. But yeah, hi kay Dara lang. Oh my God, you? Me? Oh my God. Am I that really, promising to you? Thank you, SpongeBob. I'm just, getting the energy tonight because it's so early. But I'm doing live for 1 hour tonight. But later, I'll do live for like midnight. I need to be more productive here. Because 10 days left. Hi kay Dara lang. Thank you for sharing live, SpongeBob. Hi, Berto. Hello, Nightcore. Kainis nga. Kaloka siya, te. Tapos, thank you so much. Hi, Morlock. Hi, Fifi. Yala, thank you, SpongeBob. Bye, Mikoy. Seryoso ako dito, te. Hala, road to 3 star, guys. Road to 3 star na. Balam kung tama ako nag-live ngayong oras. Nakakaloka. Mag-1 hour na, oh. Diyos ko, mag-1 hour na, te. Hi, Dola Porch. Just balance. My night wasn't good. Wasn't bad at all. Yeah. Hi, Christopher. Just a neutral night. Hi, baby ko. Dancing D. Uy, baby ko, thank you for follow, ha. I will find a way. Kalokang, hi, Red. Hi, Cool21. Guys, road to